they're drinking water. Look at all of them.
That's good. Come on, Mary.
Mary, do you want to tea with us?
Here, Winston.
Elk, are you going to get Mary something? There's something that Mary wants. Mary wants some tea, Alec. Mary wants some tea. Alec, I need you to come back here.
She's having tea too, huh? Everybody's having a tea party today.
Alec, Mary wants some
Now
tea.
she's got tea.
Mary wants some tea, so
She
I need to have her come
does
on